right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol AACG, ATA, Creativity Global. And before we jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all the first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to the channel. Invest for Tomorrow. To all the subscribers, welcome back. And I do want to announce for every single viewer and investor to stay tuned till the end. I have a short message, and it's a clip from yesterday's video. So if you want to watch the whole video, you can go ahead and find it at the heading right here at the beginning of my page, right there as a welcoming video. And it's a welcoming video for all the first-time viewers and a must-watch for all subscribers. I want every single viewer and investor that watches my videos to have the chance to hear this out. Now, if you can't watch the whole 10-minute video, I have a short clip towards the end of the video explaining my intentionality, right, when I pick these ticker symbols for you guys to add to your watch list or keep on your radar moving forward. And then I also show you the dates that I mentioned them and where they're at now and how they've moved and so forth. So I hope you guys learned something new from it and find value in it. And if you do, hit that like button. And if you're a first-time viewer, hit that subscribe button. So let's see here. ATA Creativity broke through yesterday's support significantly, and we have a new support level here. So support now is 561. We're sitting at 605, and the 50-day moving average is 677. So if this breaks through 564, 559, give or take, right? We want to pay close attention here to how this stock is reacting at these points. And if it breaks through it, the next support level here is 405. I want every single investor to keep that in mind moving forward. Now, what's the resistance, right? Because this is the highest point that it reached, 1099, early on the day, and then it's just been pulled down throughout the whole entire day. Well, if you want to have this dissected into a few points, I would use the 50-day moving average as the first resistance level to let us know that the bulls have gotten back into bullish territory. But for them to continue to work their way up, I would use this point right here of 850 to watch closely and see if the bulls can break through that, use it as a support to reach newer highs and new resistance levels. We definitely want to watch this one carefully. The bulls and the bears are in tug-of-war zone, but if the bears start to pull this one down fairly fast and continue in this direction, this could be on its way down to newer lows. As always, if you found this video helpful and informative, please do so and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell to turn on all notifications and not miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community, and don't forget to hit the like button to let me know you watch this video. Stay tuned to the end because I have valuable information that I don't want any single viewer or investor to miss. Stay tuned. All right, everyone, welcome to another video here with Invest for Tomorrow, and I hope that from this video you guys all learned something new. And this is a video to confirm to you guys my intentionality when I share ticker symbols towards the end of every video and every single day. Now, every first-time viewer coming across the channel, this is also a welcome video to every single viewer and to every subscriber, welcoming you guys back, okay? So I want you guys to be aware that this is a welcome video and also a video so that you guys know my purpose and goal here with the YouTube channel, to help every single viewer and investor maximize profits and minimize losses. Now, I'm very intentional on that, but I'm not guaranteeing you guys that you're going to maximize profits or even minimize losses. But I am here to share with you guys opportunities, and I'm not here to tell you guys to buy, sell, or hold any positions on any of the videos or ticker symbols that I talk about. I'm just here to enlighten you guys and share with you guys knowledge and things that I come across, because when we're all caught up in the hype, we forget about that the stock market isn't just 10 ticker symbols. It's not just 20 ticker symbols. It's 7,000 different ticker symbols, and they're all doing something different and growing at different rates. So this is one of them that I talked about in a video, and I've realized that when I do individual videos, they get overlooked. And even when I'm talking about them towards the end of the video, because when you're focused on just looking for the ticker symbol and the chart analysis and the due diligence that you want as an investor, I completely get it. We're tight on time and we want to do as much research as we can for the next trading day, but you guys are sometimes overlooking opportunities. So I really am here to vocalize my intentionality, my purpose, my goal, and why I do this for you guys, okay? I want every single investor to know that I'm passing on an enlightenment to everyone, okay? I want to enlighten everyone on certain ticker symbols that everyone's overlooking, and then I'm seeing potential. And it's usually opportunities. I'm not going to hit home runs every single time, but for the most part, they usually move up because of different reasons. So, American Well is a company that has to do with telehealth. That's revolutionizing. So that's just the summarization of this company. You have to do further due diligence, and I want to kind of make this a quick and short video. I talked about it here. It fell lower. I said we needed to watch for a pullback, and it did, and it ran all the way up to $43. So even if you cut it at the peak of when I talked about it, it still was up $13. If you cut it at the bottom, it was up $18 almost. So very interesting stuff. Now, the other one that I talked about in conjunction with this one in the same video is ALGM, and this is another ticker symbol that when I talked about it was at 24, hit a peak here of $34, fell back down, and now it's running back up to 31. Now, you need to look at what's your position and what's your purpose with any ticker symbol. Is it a short-term goal or a long-term goal? If you're long, I talked here and I reiterated, this could be an opportunity to get out and just go ahead and cut those small losses here of profits and cut out with the small profits that you already got per share. Or you load up on more because you're going to ride this to the next newer levels and resistance levels if you believe in the company. Obviously, you have to do your due diligence, but this is in the automotive industry, working with sensors and autonomous driving. That's a big deal moving forward, right? So another one too that I talked about that has a lot of potential and has been growing is Walgreens, WBA. I'm going to post the full video of my theory and my full thorough analysis on this one down below in the description. If you have the time to watch it, I highly recommend it. A lot of knowledge there, just raw data based off the charts, and it has nothing to do with controversial topics because I talk about different administrations and so forth. But I do go into detail on why each administration has had an impact on Walgreens, because they have an impact on pharmaceutical companies, and pharmaceutical companies work with Walgreens. So what happens to them could happen to Walgreens. So some deep, cool stuff to see there in that video if you have time. So I talked about it here at around $41 to $42. It ran up to 49, pulled back to 46, went up to 55, and it's still sitting at 49. So it's still above that point of when I told everyone to add it to their watch list, and there's so much more room and potential moving forward with all the great expansions that Walgreens is having, especially with them starting like an MD Now type of clinic thing or a quick little urgent care within their facilities. Interesting stuff. You should do more research on that, and you can go ahead and make a rational decision based off of what you